Well, we made it to the Grand Canyon. Here it is. It's a little freakier than I thought. Can't hike anywhere. It's really icy. I went in the place to ask about the backpacking trails, and the lady had a big smile on her face and said you had to buy spikes for your shoes because a kid a couple days ago went falling to his death. So we're driving and just getting out at the lookouts. Almost to California. I think the next town's, what is it, Kinsman?
Kingman.
Kingman.